Honda UK has joined hands with motorcycle designer and builder Guy Willison to unveil a classic endurance race-inspired homage based on the Honda CB1000R. The base model is a 2021 Honda CB1000R, and Guy transformed the bike into a classic endurance racer built for the road, taking inspiration from former endurance racing bikes of the 1970s and 80s. There are no changes to the chassis, engine, or electronics, apart from the addition of a quick shifter, and only 54 individually numbered units will be built. The gas tank has a hand-painted Honda logo, and the seat is hand-stitched in a diamond pattern, while the rear of the seat has the 5Four logo laser-etched on it. The tail of this bike is also custom, as it has a slimmer LED rear light, while the license plate mount was moved up to allow a better view of the rear wheel. Naturally, the bike has custom paintwork which includes a tricolor scheme of red, blue, and pearl white accents. The three colors are an inspiration from Honda's racing efforts. The Honda CB1000R 5Four is available through Honda dealers in the UK only, and retails at £16,954, which is around £5,000 more than the stock Honda CB1000R.